Here I am, Doug.
Here we are.
Here we are, yes.
Yeah, this is this I've made.
Oh, is that the way? Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was a Strat. Oh, very good.
Yeah. Now then, I've put one of the.
Now then. By the way, have you seen that Jimmy Savile programme yet?
No, I've not seen that yet.
Yeah, okay. Right then.
I've put in all the wiring in, and I've got one of them shallow super duper switches here. But it doesn't come with a wiring diagram.
Doesn't matter.
Well, it does matter to me because I've now got to take it off and check it all out with a meter,
It'll give you something to do.
so I know where to wire it to.
Keep you on your toes. Is it supposed to do like a 20 decibel boost as well, or?
Oh no, it doesn't do any of that. It just
mid-boost?
does loads of different things.
Well, like what? Give me an example of a
I
couple
don't
of them.
know what they are.
Well, how do you know what to check for?
It does series and all sorts of things. It
Oh
does.
no, forget that. Forget that.
It's got mental wire. Well, it's really clever wiring, but I've now got to work it out.
Jesus. I thought you meant.
Now that you can see by looking at it.
That's a 25 pot.
What are you talking about? Don't talk rubbish now. If you have a look there, viewers, I'll point it out with my scalpel, so I can stab you with it if you get on my nerves. Round there, that's the wiper, as you can see, because that goes all the way round.
Yeah.
So that'll be switching on all them different things.
Yeah, I know that.
And if you see how that's wired.
Yeah, yeah.
You see that's wired on 2.
Yeah.
That's wired on that one alone,
parallel,
but it's going down to that one.
Yeah.
Can you see that there?
There's a bit of parallel action going on there then.
Yeah, it's all over the place.
Yeah.
So I've now got to work out how to do it all.
That'll keep you on your toes, this will, Doug.
It will. But the thing is,
Not only that, it might be quite boring.
yes, it's going to be boring, so
Yeah.
we won't go into that now.
So
I'll do that when you've pissed off.
I'll tell you now, I'm out.
Yes.
I'm not interested in any of that. Just
No.
show us a bit more of the top of the guitar then.
Oh, it's French walnut again.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a lovely piece, as you can see. Well chosen.
That's very nice, yeah.
It doesn't. I haven't polished it yet, so there's bits of marks all over it.
Yeah.
But
I've never seen plastic stickers on pickups before here.
oh well, I've left them on.
Oh no, leave them on.
Leave them on.
Yeah, he'll love that. He'll love taking them off himself.
That's right. Yeah. So there, I've left them on.
Is that just a hardtail?
It's a Gotto bridge.
What you call a hardtail.
Yeah, it's a Gotto bridge.
Yeah. There's no whammy, is there?
No.
Good God, no whammy.
No, he doesn't want a whammy.
Yeah, on a Strat.
He's an acoustic guitar player, remember?
Yeah. It's a fun looking acoustic, Doug.
Yes, it is. He's
It's very nice. So what's the fretboard? Is it regular rosewood?
it's rosewood, yeah.
What kind of rosewood? Is it African?
No, it's
not Indian.
Indian rosewood.
Okay, it is light, isn't it? So it could be, but
Yeah, it's beautiful wood.
normally a bit lighter Indian rosewood, isn't it?
Well, no, it's always that colour.
Well, I've seen lighter.
Well,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
probably what's the name? Something else.
Yeah.
A name that just keeps escaping me these days. I forget everything.
Yeah. There's no shame in forgetting, Arthur. Doug.
I couldn't think. I don't know why I was thinking of the 3 tenors, but I was thinking, and I couldn't remember Pavarotti's name yesterday.
Good God.
I know.
You know,
I can remember the other 2.
I've heard of some like atrocities in the
Mutt
memory
and Jeff, and I
department.
couldn't remember Pavarotti's name.
Mutt and Jeff?
Yeah.
Mutt and
Jose
Jeff.
Ferreira and Placido
Jeff.
Domingo.
That reminds me, I used to have a band called Mutt and Boogie.
Yeah.
An amazing logo I did for that, with the sheep.
So anyway, I've got somebody coming up now who wants a Fender bass.
Yeah, well, it's not coming up now, is it? It's coming up later, isn't it?
Coming up later, yeah. I've nearly finished this, to ready to go into the spray booth. Finally.
Are you having a laugh?
This is Mark's.
Mark, the barrister, yeah.
Yeah, it's just got to be sanded down with 1/8s now.
Did he send you a legal letter the other week?
Yeah, he did. Yeah,
Did
he
you-
said if you don't finish it soon, I'm coming around with the boys.
Yeah, but you'll be going to jail for something you didn't do, guaranteed.
Yeah.
But yeah, is he still alive? Is he still in the country? It's been that long since I've seen him here.
Yeah, it's been a few weeks, hasn't it?
Has it?
3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks?
I'm doing the Les Pauls. I've
Last year.
started back on the Les Pauls now. I'm getting this out of the way.
What do you
So
mean?
this will go in when I've finished sanding this, and then I'm onto the Les Pauls.
Well, hang on a second. I've seen your Les Pauls. Have they never progressed past this stage?
No, they haven't progressed
No,
past that
I
stage.
thought you'd done more. I thought you shaped them and everything.
No.
Which one's Sean's?
That one.
Yeah.
It's slightly thinner than that one.
Do you want to just like gouge a nick in it so you know which one's what? Which
No,
one's
it's
which?
different woods.
Yeah, you're right. I'm joking, obviously.
That's the. This is more of the wood that they used for 50.
This one, are you going for the classic 30 kilogram weight sort of model?
No, this is heavy as fuck.
Well, it's also about 10 feet thick.
Well, it isn't finished yet. I haven't thicknessed it.
It is a bit thicker than that one, though, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is maple top. Oh,
Maple
right, that's
top.
maple as well.
That's maple. Yeah.
Well, that's a slightly.
Yeah, that's Canadian.
More deluxe.
That's from Canadian land. What was it called? They're
the,
both from Canada, but this is Fender.
The wood mill.
The Fender sawmill, yeah.
Yeah. Where is it in? Is it like British Columbia or somewhere like that?
Somewhere like that. I can't remember.
It's
now.
probably going to be somewhere where they grow lots of trees, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, they have lots of.
They do in Canada.
They're big on maple in Canada, aren't they?
This is quite nice.
Yes, lovely. That's more like the 58 one, you see.
What
That's
do you mean?
going after that's having different edge binding than that.
Do you mean because of the tiger sort of stripes? Like you mean because
they did
that's
more of that.
more synonymous of
Because they weren't really going for a fancy woods in
They
them
just
days.
used what they had, and they had a lot of
That's
that.
what they had, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So they
Yeah.
this isn't.
That's special.
Yeah, it's not like
specially chosen.
I don't know much about.
That's the special one.
Yeah.
This is
Well-
beautiful as well. They're both lovely in their own way, you see.
Don't forget, Sean is a special man.
Well, special needs. They're both Brazilian mahogany.
I just turn them over to check. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they're both Brazilian mahogany. And there's an ant, look.
Well, I'm trying to zoom in because I've fixed the zoom on the camera. I think. Hang on, where is he?
He's got, well, he's the quick little rascal, isn't
There
he?
he is. Look, he's jumped up there. You know,
Oh,
he's,
yeah,
he's jumped the equivalent of like 18 stories.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to call him like?
I'll build him into the guitar, shall I?
No, what I mean is you've got to call him a name beginning with B with your
Yeah.
tradition. Let's call him Bertrude.
Okay.
Is that a male's name?
Yeah.
Bertrude.
Yeah.
There's lots of. You suck like loads of offcuts together or something like this.
No!
I know, but there's lots
It's
of.
just the way that the router has cut in.
Yeah. Looks like you just got a load of blockwood and glued it together.
Do you think I would do something
Of
like
course
that?
we don't. Let's not go losing our sense of humour today, do we?
Let's just lose our sense of humour.
I will say you do seem quite cheerful today.
I'm alright.
Yeah.
Not sitting around, had much sleep again.
No, just stop saying that.
This
You've been saying that
sleep
for decades.
business is getting on my nerves.
If you were that bad, you'd be collapsed. You wouldn't have even made it to the shed. You'd be just hanging over the doorstep with people walking over you to get stuff at your house.
I think
Well, I'll just tell you,
we've got lift off with the fire.
yeah, if you ever collapse and I come round,
Yeah.
I will call an ambulance. Yeah. So you rest assured, you're safe with me. I'll get you help. Yeah. Yeah. And if
There's more chance of you collapsing.
well, I've just been to the doctors and apparently my cholesterol's higher than last year.
Yeah, there you are, you see.
I'll be honest with you, I don't care.
My cholesterol's quite normal.
Yeah, I don't care.
And it's 4.8 last year.
Well,
so
mine's gone up to about 5.3 or something, she said.
I'm getting some more coal. 'cause
I'm coming out with you.
I want to get it hot.
I'll be honest with you, I did say to the nurse, I said I'm not remotely interested in any of this.
Yeah. I've had some of this stuff delivered today.
Oh, the wishy-washy coal.
Well, this is supposed to be better than that's the wishy-washy one. I've had a bag of each to see.
No,
They're supposed to be hotter.
I guarantee you it's not.
No, well, you're quite right. You probably won't be.
Let me ask you something, did you pay more for that?
No, cheaper this is. This is supposed to be cheaper than that.
Okay, but it's like
It's
guaranteed
still
to be better.
expensive. Shut the door.
40 quid?
Yeah, somewhere around that.
I need to buy some soon, I'm gonna. I've been out.
It's 35 quid, I think, for a bag.
Yeah, I think I was paying about 38.
Yeah.
I've got about 19 tons of wood in my garage and some coal, but like it's flying down. Might as well just set fire to the garage and just get it burnt. Because I know I'm going to run out like in mid-February when it's going to be like the shittest weather known to mankind in
Yes.
this country.
Yes.
Because you think once winter's over, you think, oh, it's going to be okay, but it gets worse, doesn't it?
Gets worse.
Till about early April. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that I'll just pass away in my sleep, to be honest with you, at some point.
Oh, well, that's cheerful then.
Well, it'd be good for me.
Well, it'll be good for all the viewers.
You probably have
I'd cheer them up.
You need to make sure you come round and video my corpse then, don't you?
Yes, I'll do
Just
that.
so we get like a couple of million. You might make yourself 20 quid.
Yeah.
Right then, is there anything else you want to cover in this video?
No, I'm just... I've got to make a jig today. I'll show you why.
Okey-dokey.
Yes, I'll be doing that next. Because with the Les Paul, the 58 Les Paul, which is... There's the mahogany necks. I've made the truss rods.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you've seen these before.
Yeah.
So I've made these to conform with the right one.
Yeah.
But I've got to now make a jig that these fit in.
Let's cut the slots.
And I can do with the curved.
Oh yeah.
Because they go in a curved channel.
Yeah.
So I've got to make that all. See, I've got the measurement somewhere. I think they're in my head.
Brass nut there, Doug.
Yes, brass.
Oh,
brass.
right.
Yeah. The adjustment nut. Yeah.
Adjustment nut. So I mean, it's got like a nylon thing inside it.
No, it doesn't.
Well, what?
That's the truss
what's so
rod
special?
tightener.
Yeah, what's so special about it?
No, it's nothing. It's
Just
traditional.
brass nuts. Oh, just brass.
Yeah. This is where they were made. The only difference between this and the original is, see if you can spot it.
Hang on, I'm supposed to be zooming in there. Let's have a look.
I've made these, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I saw you make them.
Yeah.
The difference.
Yeah.
Um,
I haven't tightened that in there yet. It's got a thread on it. I've threaded it.
yeah, but why? You wouldn't tighten it, would you? Otherwise, it won't work.
Of course it works. That has to stay fixed at one end.
Yeah, no, it does. Yeah.
This goes in a curved channel.
Yeah.
And as you tighten it, it'll
Yeah.
straightens up
Yeah.
and bends
then
the neck.
Yeah.
Right. But the only difference between this and the originals is, apart from it being made now,
Yeah.
is I've done it in stainless steel.
Oh well, I can't tell that's stainless.
No, you can't, but it
Yeah.
doesn't matter, does it? You'll
Not
never
really.
know it's stainless or the mild steel. They're normally made in mild steel.
Okay. Yeah.
The originals were.
So, is there any benefit or deficit of using
Well, it's a lot
stainless?
harder to break, isn't it? Or strip the threads or anything else.
You probably having customers come back then with the truss rod just bouncing through the neck like a compound neck fracture
Don't be
with
stupid.
the bone sticking out.
Stupid boy.
Just thinking, Doug. Thinking isn't. Thinking should never be considered to be a bad thing.
Well, you know, you do a very good job of being stupid. You've got that down to a fine art.
Nah, whatever. I'm not bothered. Well, I'm going to say goodbye to this video.
All right, then say trot.
So adios. Yeah.
You say trot to everybody today, because I end up being rude.
Yeah. Well, don't do that. I've had
Okay, then. Well, fuck off and
I've
do
had
it
enough of you
yourself.
swearing. I've had enough of you swearing.
Oh yes, I've got to go up the router today as well. Okay, because I've got to thin this down. I haven't got a thickness of this wide.
Haven't you?
No.
Should be ashamed of yourself.
Well, why should I be? I'm limited space. That's only a 12-inch or 10-inch plane. I think it's 12-inch. You know, I don't really know.
I'd say it's 12 inch. It's 10. 10.
No, it's 10.
Yeah.
So that's 10-inch planer.
Fucking how embarrassing.
Thickness, eh?
Do you want to get you one for Christmas?
No.
If you got rid of some of this shit here, you can have a wider one.
That shit happens to be guitar wood.
Yes, I know, Doug. I'm joking.
It's not shit.
Yes, I know. I'm joking. It's called a
Well,
joke.
your jokes are not very funny, especially with customers who are taking this seriously.
There's only about 4 people who
Like
watch.
what I am.
There's only about 4 people who watch these videos now. Everybody else has just given up.
Haven't
Yeah, I think so. Right, Doug. I'm going to leave you to it, and I'll do another video in 5 minutes. Yeah.
they? Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.